We're asked to convert 365 grams to ounces. I'm just abbreviating grams with a G, ounces with OZ. And you're given equivalency of 1 ounce is approximately equal to 28 grams. This came from page 86 in the text. And as long as you're given an equivalency, you can do any conversion. Since 1 ounce is the same weight as 28 grams, anytime you have the same amount of stuff, if you put 1 ounce over 28 grams or 28 grams over 1 ounce, each of these is equivalent to a 1. Anytime you have something over itself, that's equivalent to a 1. We're going to use this fact to do this conversion. All right, we have 365 grams. And I want to cancel out the grams. So I'm going to turn this into a fraction. Anytime you want to make something a fraction, you just put it over a 1. I think I'll back out a tiny bit here. And then I'm going to multiply this by one of these two. If I select this, I'm going to have ounces in the denominator. I'll have ounces on the bottom, and ounces will not cancel grams. So this one is of no use to us for this particular problem. This one, however, has grams on the bottom. So that's the one I choose. I write 1 ounce over 28 grams. And now all I need to do is cancel common units. Well, it doesn't matter that they're common. It just well, they have to be common, the same. And I need either diagonally I'm allowed to cancel. Also with fractions you can cancel vertically, but that wouldn't be possible here because I have ounces and grams. So grams cancel grams, and I'm left with ounces. So that takes care of the units. Now I have to take care of the math. So 365 times 1. This is 365. 1 times 28 is 28. The units are ounces. And if this can be reduced, you have to reduce it. According to the directions, I'll bring them in briefly here. And you probably can't read this, but if you're trying to do this homework problem, it says type an integer or a fraction. Okay, so we're going to have to see if we can reduce that. We'll keep it as an integer or a fraction. Another thing I want to mention is if we do want to enter a fraction, you have to click your cursor into this box, and then you can click your mouse, the cursor, on the fraction icon, and this box will appear. It'll turn into a fraction. Then you can write your fraction in there. They are not asking for a mixed number. Okay, they either want an integer or a fraction. So we'll take a look at our 365 over 28, see if we can reduce that at all. There's not an obvious one right off. 28, so 2 won't go into 365. 3 definitely won't go into the 28. 11 wouldn't go into 365 either, by the way. 9, 4. So a 5 will go in there, but it won't go in there. 7 goes in here. We don't know if 7 goes into 365, so let's try that. I'll zoom out again. Again, I'm just trying, this is a correct answer, but it might be able to be simplified so I wouldn't get full credit. So let's see if 7 will go into the numerator and denominator. 7 into 36 is 5. And 7 certainly won't go into 15 evenly. So 7 won't work. We've tried all of the prime numbers that go into 28. So this cannot be reduced. Maybe I'll just emphasize that for a second. The prime factorization of 28 is 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 2 times 7 is the prime factorization of 28, and none of these factors will go into 365, so this cannot be reduced. And this is the correct answer.